Are you pregnant and wondering if it's safe to take ocean mineral complex with vitamin D3, means OSNATE-D? So, you are not alone during pregnancy. Every supplement matters, not just for your health, but for your baby's growth and development too. Let's break down the truth behind this powerful combo, its benefits, precautions, and whether it's the right choice for your pregnancy journey. Let's dive in. So, Ocean Mineral Complex plus vitamin D3 means OSNATE-D. This supplement combines trace minerals from the ocean with vitamin D3 and can be beneficial during pregnancy if used properly and with your doctor's advice. Now I tell you what is it. So ocean mineral complex, a mix of natural minerals from seawater like magnesium, calcium, zinc, iodine, selenium, iron and other trace elements. And vitamin D3, it's a fat soluble vitamin important for bone health, immune support and calcium absorption. Now I tell you about benefits in pregnancy. So before starting it, please subscribe my channel. This is Dr. Mrs. Saeed Kareem and click the bell icon too. So now I tell you benefits in pregnancy. So as far as magnesium is concerned, so it prevents lax cramps, supports nerve and muscles. And when we talk about the calcium, so it helps build baby's bone and teeth. And zinc supports baby's growth and immune development. And iodine supports baby's brain and thyroid development. And iron prevents anemia and supports oxygen supply. And vitamin D3 helps calcium absorption and supports bones plus immune health. Now I tell you important precautions. Yes, always consult your doctor before starting. Check that doses are within pregnancy safe limits, and some ocean mineral supplements may have too much iodine and heavy metals if not purified well. So choose a trusted brand and avoid duplicate doses if you have already taken prenatal vitamins. Now, in the end, I give you final advice. Yes, the final advice is yes, ocean mineral complex vitamin D3 can be safe in pregnancy, but only if you use a pregnancy safe brand. Take it as advised by your doctor, gynecologist, or midwife, and don't overdose or mix with too many other supplements. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.